The property of one class is inherited to another class. So that is the new class, the old class is inherited to new class. Here, old class is called as the base class antam or super class antam, or we can also call it as parent class. Okay, na? Next, new class name will call it as a subclass or child class or okay, subclass or child class and చెప్పొచ్చు. Or
Okay.
derived class. It's called as a derived class. So for example, class 1 is there. In this class 1, I have performed some operations addition. In class 2, I perform subtraction. I want to call this class 1 into class 2. So ఏం చేస్తారు? సో ఇక్కడ ఏం రాస్తారంటే సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ ఎక్స్టెన్స్ ఎడిషన్ అంటే సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ అనేది ఏంటి? క్లాస్ 2 ఎక్స్టెన్స్ క్లాస్ 1. Class 2 extends class 1 on that. So automatically what will happen? First it will be perform the addition, then it will perform the subtraction. That will perform the subtraction itself. So then it will perform the subtractions. So this is called a single inheritance. So if you are using single class, that is called single inheritance. If you are using multiple classes more than that, that is called multi-inheritance. If you are using more than 10 classes, more than 10 above unte దాన్ని ఏమంటారంటే హైబ్రిడ్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ అంటామండి. హైబ్రిడ్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ అంటారు. So just yesterday we discussed about what is an inheritance and what are the types of inheritance are there. Just I'll give the basic of, then I'll go with the single inheritance. I'm not selecting any public static void main. Click finish. So under that void addition. So under that int x equal to 10, int y equal to 20, int z equal to x plus y. System.out.println of z, right? So I have performed this class. Now here I'm going to create one more method, void subtraction extends, we can call extends addition. Subtraction addition. So you can use class. So now, so I'm going to use, I'm not creating any additions. Next, additions. So here I'm going to use int x equal to 10, 12, 120, int y equal to 130, int z equal to x minus y. So system.out.println of z, right? So I've been performed two operations. One is addition and other one is subtractions. So now I want to call these two classes in the second class. I want to these two in second class. So right click on the class, go to new, click on the class, and I'm going to mention as operations, and I'm not going to create any main method. Click on that. Extends. Now which one you need to call the extends? Which one you need to call them? దేన్ని కాల్ చేయాలి? ఎడిషన్ ని కాల్ చేస్తారా, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ కాల్ చేస్తారా? Which one we need to call? Can I call single inheritance? Can I call single inheritance? Extends. Single inheritance. void division. So int x equal to 10, int y equal to 20, int z equal to y by x. So system dot out dot println of z, right? Now I've been performed addition and the subtraction in the class 1 and the division in the second class. Now, if you compile it, we cannot compile. There is no main method here. There is no main method. So how do you write? Public static void args under that now a1 dot addition, a1 dot subtraction, a1 dot division, a1 dot what is your third class? Operations hai kada?
Yes. Yeah.
So now what we can do? దీని ఎలా కాల్ చేస్తారు మరి మీరు? టూ మెథడ్స్ ఏమో
A1
క్లాస్
dot
లో ఉన్నాయి. ఒక మెథడ్ ఇంకో క్లాస్ లో ఉంది. So already we have inherited these two. So those classes have been called up. And what about this method? మరి దీంట్లో ఎలా కాల్ చేస్తాం? So what we can do? We can create one more object for this. Operations A2 equal to new operations. Okay na? New operations. So A2 dot division. Okay na? So this is your these two are comes under first class and this comes under second class. Okay na? However, this addition subtraction is a part of class 1 and this division is a class 2. These two are been inherited into the class 2 kabatti already మీకు ఈ రెండు వచ్చేస్తాయి ఈ క్లాస్ లో కాల్ చేసేసుకోవచ్చు. So this is called single inheritance. It's called as a single inheritance.
Okay.
Now can we do it in the real time?
Yes.
How you can perform in real time? రియల్ టైం లో ఎలా వర్క్ చేస్తాం చెప్పగలరా? ఒక లాగిన్ విండో తీసుకోండి, టైటిల్ URL రావాలి. ఎలా చేస్తారు మీరు? హౌ వీ కెన్ పర్ఫార్మ్ ఇన్ రియల్ టైమ్? So for example, I have in class 1 opening browser, navigate to Google page, get the title, get the URL, next search a particular element, capture the screenshot, close the browser. Now what I can do in the class 1, I'm going to open the browser, I'm going to navigate the page, I want to maximize the window. Now, okay. Now I'm get the title. And in the class 2, in the same class, this is one method. These are all comes under opening browser, navigate, maximize, get title. This is one method. And I'm going for in the same class, I'm going for method 2. Method 2. Get title, search. That is a same
method.
method 2. Method 1. Method 1 lo ivi. Method 2 lo same class. And I'm going to open the class 2 and I'm going to use the class 2. Under the class 2, I want to capture that and I want to close the window. And my scenario is I want to call these two methods from the class 1 into the class 2. Similarly, I want to perform these also in the class 2. How do you use that? ఎలా చేస్తాం? Class 2 extends class 1 extends class 1 and I can create an object for the class 1 ki object create చేద్దాం. ఏది class 1 ఏది? We already used that class 2 na? So what is your class name? So how do you work it? ఎలా చేస్తారు? ప్రీవియస్ గా చేసినట్టే సేమ్ ఇదిగోండి సింగిల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ దీంట్లో 2 మెథడ్స్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాను రైట్ నెక్స్ట్ మల్టీ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ లోకి వెళ్ళి మల్టీ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ operations లోకి వెళ్ళి now what I can do, I can perform one more method and I can call them into the second class లో call చేసి I can create one method and I can create one more object for the class 2 and I can call it. So we'll see that example. So I'm going to create 2 classes. So I'm going to create as first class, first one, and I'm going to create one more class, second 2. That's all. I created 2 classes. First one, second one. In the first one, I'm going to create first one browser, void browser. Under that, system dot set property of WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver d colon / Chrome driver dot exe. WebDriver D. Now change to Chrome driver org.opencase Selenium Chrome. Now I will declare the WebDriver now, so that will be the public, so which I can call to any other methods. So now d dot manage dot I want to get the title. So title http:// Okay. Now after the d dot manage dot window dot maximize. Okay. Once it is maximized, now I'm going to create one more method. Void title. So system dot out dot println d dot get title. Okay, I created 2 methods. Now I'm going for second class, and here I'm going to call that extends First one, void URL p dot get a current URL. Once it does, so I've been created two methods in the first class. I created one method in the same class. Now I want to run all this at a time. So I can create public static void main string comma args. Under that, what is the first class?
First.
A1 dot browser A1 dot title, right? Now I'm going to create one more method for the second class. So what is the second class here? Second two, okay no? Second two.
Yeah.
So I can create as second two, A2 equal to new second two. A2 dot A2 dot. So what is the method I've been created here? URL.
There is an error, the first one.
First one?
Down. So first one you have entered as
Okay no?
yes.
Now if I compile this, cannot invoke what it is showing. What is the error we are getting out? Can you tell me?
Current.
Okay na?
Yes.
Got it?
Yeah.
So if you want, you can create one more method, close. A2 dot A2 dot close. Okay na? Any methods ఉంటే అన్ని methods ని కాల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. Okay na? So automatically the window will be closed. Okay. So automatically window will be closed. So this is how we are going to work on your how to work with multiple classes. So you can create any number of methods. Inco class create just coach. You can use extends method. So automatically first it will execute first two methods, then it will in the first class, then it will execute the second methods in the second class itself. Okay. This is called the part of your inheritance. This is a part. So single inheritance, multi-inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. Different types of inheritance we are having.
Okay.
Okay, Chandu?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So you just to practice all these things and okay, na?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Evening most important topic, sir. Don't get absent.
Okay,
We'll
okay, sir.
discuss with the what remember inheritance.